This is the most rare picture I've ever seen. A picture of Van Zyl Slabbert, Thomas Sankara and Thabo Mbeki in June 1987. And you'd ask yourself, what was happening in this meeting? But before anything else, let's address the elephant in the room, the European man on the far left of the picture, Van Zyl Slabbert. Who was he and why was he in the picture with Thomas Sankara and Thabo Mbeki? Slabbert was an anti-apartheid activist, and I believe he was one of the people who was actively pushing for the apartheid regime to end. He was basically one of the few good ones. Now back to the overall picture. So I tried to do some research on this picture, and unfortunately I couldn't find much, but a lot of people had a lot to say, and I do believe some of the things that they said were actually true. So let's go through some details that I managed to find. You people are very smart. Africa Maba, so things that Van Zyl and other white people and white politicians went to Senegal to have a discussion with the ANC leaders. During that period, there was an ANC conference in Dakar. Van Zyl and other white people went there on their own personal capacity to discuss the future of South Africa without the apartheid regime. General Tuck says that the majority of the 61 South Africans who went to Dakar in 1987 were Afrikaners. The delegation was led by Van Zyl Slabbert. I mentioned Afrikaners to show that there are many Afrikaners who wanted to meet with the ANC in exile and talk about the future of South Africa without apartheid. Sisebetsi says that Sankara was the gift to Africa, and I strongly agree. Mlazi says that unfortunately after this handshake, Thomas Sankara was assassinated. And Mkolisi says, hey Bana, why am I so uncomfortable with this picture? And I have to admit, I was also uncomfortable until I actually read the details. There was a big reason why Van Zyl was in this picture. So tell me your opinion. Why did Van Zyl Slabbert, Thomas Sankara and Thabo Mbeki were meeting? What was happening? Do you have any details, any information? Please do let us know in the comments.